Shops will charge you hundreds of dollars for a setup like this. Here's how I did it for $100. Hey guys, Rural JDM here. Today we are here with the Triton, the daily. We only have one area for storage on this car, and that's this toolbox, and obviously the dual cab. But it becomes quite painful at times. So I have purchased a marketplace steal, $100. We're gonna be mounting it today. The things I was running into issues with was figuring out where to mount it. I was gonna mount it across the back, but it made us lose too much room back here. Or mount it there, the same way it's mounted like that, but on this side. We'll have to remove that if we do it. But the number one test is whether we can fit the bin this way. So, let's do that now.
Let the flames be on the list, let them going too fast, like right in your back, don't spin it. Left, right, don't knock me down, can't play with a fake out.
Now that fits absolutely beautifully. So we're gonna mount it that way. And there's actually fuck all under the tray. So I can drill fucking anywhere, which is great. So I don't have to worry about hitting lines or anything. Just taking that out. Very dusty under there, some very big fucking holes too, but that's all good. Let's move that to the side. Let's get our toolbox in position. There we go, that's in position. We're just gonna drill holes in all four corners, but because there's nothing under the tray, we are sweet to go. And there's nothing to really worry about. It doesn't line up with where those panels, where those chassis mounts are. So we're sweet in all aspects. Let's get the drill and start drilling. Okay, so this is the inside of our brand second-hand toolbox. I'm gonna get this ratchet strap down as well so we can start drilling. Just so that way, if I do drill through, nothing moves around and I've got the same holes, all four corners, nothing's misaligned. That's what my plan is. Okay, now realistically, the only reason I have to ratchet strap this down is because I live in the middle of nowhere and I don't really have anyone available on a Wednesday night to come help me. Realistically, what you need to do is mark out the points, have a friend lift it so you can mark it underneath as well, drill through, but I don't have anyone here to help me. So, this is the next best thing. Now, I didn't actually think about this until right now. I don't know how I'm gonna get a drill back here because this is in the way. So I might just have to go for the closest point. The chassis bar's in the way. Fuck. All right, we're an M12 with all our bolts. Actually, I really hope there's... Fuck, I should have gone smaller bolts. They're way too big. They're way too big. There we go. That's one done. 3 more to go, and we can call it a day. Now, my main concern, again, bringing this up, I don't know how we're gonna get back here because this shelf is in the way, and as far back as I can go takes us right to the chassis rail. All right, let's just get it strapped down on both ends first. There we go. Straight through. Let's get the washers on. There we go. That is secure. Okay. Now here's where my slight concern comes in. Because I can't go further back. Because this is in the way. I can't go here because the chassis rail's there. So what I was thinking was, if I put one here and here, would that be good enough? Still is lifting from back there. So I just wanted to give this the good old lift test and it still is lifting from the back, so I can't just leave it as is. And I also want to do the lift test, see how easy it lifts. It does, but it does scrape against there. I don't really give a shit personally.
Dead of night, I'm in a dream where we met and shit was acting nice. What kind of scene could be actions that don't happen right? Let me shoot the beam to the point, bitch, I'ma hit it twice. Let me shoot the beam to make it live a better life. Last night, so
Fuck.
don't know what I'm doing or how I'm in this, man. I swear I'll protect you, little baby, and that's to the end.
Jesus. Out of sheer tiredness, I've opted to only do 3 of 4. It's not going anywhere. It's on there. There is our new tray. Toolbox tray. All done. All right, well, kind of a short tutorial on how to do that, but I hope you guys enjoyed. It is a pretty self-explanatory, well, honestly, it's not really self-explanatory, it's more just easy once you know what you're doing. So, if you enjoyed, leave a like. If you learned something, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Go dream, let's go dream, let's go. Let's go dream, let's go motherfucking dream, yeah. For a better life, for a better life.